courtesy officer. Yeah, courtesy officer. Your name, right? Courtesy officer.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Grandview. Where's the Uber pickup? Anything over here or over there?
Well, you can go up there and just sit. They'll find you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when you go to it, they usually come to the front, right?
Yeah, the official. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm retired security guard too. That's why
Oh,
I
okay.
love being a security guard, man. But I'm armed guard.
Oh, okay.
I love security. I'm retired security guard.
Oh, okay.
That's an honest and loyal service.
Yes.
Just to let you know, I admire our job. You know, I appreciate that. Just retire, and then once you reach age 65, I'm 68 now.
Oh, okay.
So once how old are you now?
70.
Oh, you get your social security already.
Oh yeah, I got mine 62.
Oh, so this is only for extra money, huh?
Yeah, I retired from the Philadelphia Police Department.
Wow, man.
And
Salute.
I'm doing this and
I'm retired Marine. I'm retired 20 years in the Marine Corps. But look at what happened. It happened when I was in Desert Storm.
Oh, okay.
I was with the Iraq battle.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, I saw war, man. I saw terrible.
Yeah.
I still have.
I don't know. And this is.
Lord, I'm glad I'm still alive.
Got you here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
But, you know, that's good. I do that, and this is easy. So I said, what the heck? It's extra money.
police, man. I respect the law enforcement.
Yeah.
You have the right to remain silent.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but don't retire and not do anything.
Yeah, that's right. But
All the people I know that sat around didn't do anything.
it's boringness.
They're
Only boring. What about you
but
when
they-
you go to the bathroom? How could you go to the bathroom?
Oh, I
Oh, yeah,
go over
yeah.
there. Yeah.
No stress, huh? No supervisor behind you
No,
looking.
no.
You're in the Marine Corps. There's left and right.
Got somebody.
That's
right.
why when we go to the battle, hey, you cannot do that to me.
And that's it.
You have to protect me. I protect you.
There we go.
Sir, nice meeting you. Okay, nice
Nice
talking
to
you.
meet you.
Yeah, I'm here at building 2.
Okay.
I'm just doing my exercise. My doctor said walk,
Okay.
so I have to walk, sir. Bye, bye, sir. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah,
All
take
right.
care. Take care.
All right.
Okay. Now I spoke with the security guard, retired police officer, Philadelphia. Wow, I admire those people who serve in public service. This is the longest video I have, so bear with me. Are you in line or?
No, no,
Oh,
you're
okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. Good morning, ma'am. I'm in room 101, building 2. I need a vehicle near the orange thing.
Parking pass?
The parking.
Middle counter.
Oh, over here.
Parking pass.
So I need a parking pass, one parking pass. Room 101.
Room 101?
Yeah, that's my key.
For your car, you need?
My guest.
Oh,
My friend is coming. I don't want that the car is being towed.
okay. So what's the room number again?
101, A and B.
No, but what tower?
Tower 2.
Tower 2?
Edgardo, the owner. We're leaving Saturday or Friday. It's real hot outside, mister.
Is that?
Very hot.
Oh, yeah.
I just walked. I did my morning exercise.
Oh, good. What's your name?
Edgardo the Hero,
Oh, here. Gotcha.
the owner of the illustrious Grandview, the best.
For one car, right?
Just one car.
Okay. You're going to be till the 14th.
Yeah.
Put it
One
on
of the
dashboard.
best. Sir, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, okay, sir. Bye-bye.
Okay. Don't forget.
Yes. I'm doing my YouTube.
Yeah.
I'll see you tonight. Balik sa trabaho. Lay your head upon my pillow.
Have barbecues at the bottom of all of the buildings, so you can barbecue.
This is the longest video that I've ever taken. I think this is more than 20 or 30 minutes. So you will enjoy my show today. And I do hope, if you don't want to subscribe or not, I hope you did enjoy my video today at the Grandview Resort. And if you want to buy a timeshare here, they give you a 95,000 points to be used for a year, and you can exchange it. You don't have to pay for the rent or any resort fee. This is the best. And also, you are part of the property owner of this property. You have legal documentation, and you have all rights and privileges to be an owner of a big Grandview here, Grandview Las Vegas Resort. So thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.